How to add slideshow to a page in Shopify step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Shopify and e-commerce tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add your very own slideshow to your Shopify page. And it's going to be very simple, very easy. I'm going to walk you through all of it. I'm going to show you how to set up your very own page, your store. I'm going to sign you up with Shopify. It's all going to be very simple and very basic and efficient. So all I need you to do is just sit back, relax, and listen to all of my instructions till the end of the video. And if you do that, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to add a slideshow to your Shopify page. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, obviously you're going to go to shopify.com. So let's go to Shopify. Now once you're in Shopify, obviously you're going to need to be familiarized with its structure. It has a very user-friendly interface, so just get used to it. And once you're used to it, all you need to do is, if you're creating a new account, you're going to go and start free trial. But if you already have one, you're going to click on login. So it's pretty much the same procedure. In start a free trial, you just need to have to sign up with let's say an email. Now once you sign in with an email like I have right now, all you need to do is you're going to create a store. So you're going to name your store anything. Like I'm going to name mine, let's say I'm going to name it Slideshow for now. And once I do that, I'm going to click on create store and I'm going to wait for it to load up. Now once it creates our store, what's going to happen is that it's going to take us to this optimization page where it's going to optimize our store according to some choices it gives us. Now, obviously, make sure to select the correct choices because by doing that, what's going to happen is that Shopify is going to optimize our store according to that, and it's going to be much greater and much easier for us, and it just makes life easier. So here we go. Here it says, tell us a little about yourself. Are you already selling? I'm just playing around, but you can go with any of these. And then it says, what is your current revenue? You're going to add in your current revenue and what product or industry will you be operating for. You can choose any one of these. I'm going to just do painting. And you're going to click on next. Then you're just going to add in your address just to make life easier for you. What this does is it tells Shopify what area you're from. And according to that, it's going to show you products and store pages according to that. So once you've done all that, you're going to click on create your store. We're going to wait for this to load up really quick. So here we go. This is basically our Shopify store. It has been properly created. Now what's going to happen is that we're going to go ahead and start making our slideshow. Now to make your slideshow, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to need to get familiarized with how things work. And once you've done that, what you're going to need to do is in the left hand side, it says online store. We're going to click on that. And once we've clicked on that, we're going to go to themes. And once we go on themes, what's going to happen is that we're going to get tons of these themes. Now the default theme is Dawn, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just click on view online store. Let's say I'm going to do Dawn. And obviously right now our store doesn't really look like anything because we haven't really created or started anything yet. Now to obviously do that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to add any of these themes. So right now, as you can see, they just added my theme. Now I'm going to click on view store and this is what my theme looks like. Now obviously I want to start adding my own slideshows, and for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on customize. Now obviously to click on customize, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you here. Now firsthand, a lot of templates or themes already have a slideshow inbuilt in them. So let's say if the Dawn theme that I'm using right now, let's say it does not have a slideshow. Like you just need to go on add section, click on show more, and you're going to come down here where it's a slideshow. And it's already in there. So what you're going to need to do is you're just going to click on that. And once you click on that, all you need to do is you're going to start adding your images or whatever. And you can also change the text from here. And it's just very simple stuff. You can just click on select image and you can start uploading images, like any image you want, or you can just use their free images. Let's say it's for shop locals. If I click on that, it's going to take me to shop locals. I can add that. I can add as many as I want in my slideshow. So I'm just going to click on select. And once I click on select, I'm going to upload more. So let's say I'll upload a few more from the free images. Let's say I want some from the staff favorites. Once I do that, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on select. So we're just going to wait for that to load up. Okay, so what this does is obviously this gives the image behind the slide. Now, how to make a proper slideshow out of it? Now, for that, obviously, you're going to need to click on the second image slide over here. You're going to select image again. You're going to do that. You're going to click on select. And what that does is it adds another slide. And then you can add another slide and another slide and another slide, and you can keep adding more. And from there on out, obviously, you can change the setting of these slides. So let's say you want the heading size to be small. And let's say you want to paste a button link to some page if you have any. You can change the subheadings. You can change the button label, which it says over here. You can change the button link as I showed you. You can change the alignment of how this really looks. And once you do that, change the color schemes if you really want to, as I just did there. And all you need to do is you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, I'm going to go and view my page. I'm going to view it really quick. So all you need to do, just make sure it's saved properly. You're going to go back. And we're going to view our store. Now once I go and view your store, I'm going to check my slideshow over here. So this is my slideshow. And look at that. It's a proper slideshow with the 2 slides I just added. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look. Now, obviously, this is obviously for the inbuilt. Now, there is also another way to add your slides. So let's say there's not an inbuilt slide to any of the themes you have. All you need to do is you're going to click on these 3 buttons. And when you do that, you're going to come down here and you come on edit code. Now, once you're going to go on edit code, what's going to happen is in the left hand side, this looks complex, but don't worry, just stay with me. In the left hand side under templates, it says add a template. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're not going to mess with any of this, and you're just going to name the file. Let's say you're going to name it that, and you're going to click on done. And once you click on done, you're just going to wait for it to load up. I'm just going to wait for a few. Once it loads up, I'm just going to do this, and you're going to remove all of this. And what you're going to want to write is this. It says bracket modulus section slideshow bracket modulus. So that's what it's going to look like. And this is what you're obviously basically going to want. Once you do that, you're going to click on save. And what that's going to do is it's going to program a slideshow into whatever page you have. And once obviously you do that, again, you're going to come back to customize, and from there on out, what's going to happen is the slideshow prompt will be added to your themes as I just showed you right now. And from there on out, all you need to do is, again, as I just showed you, just go on image slide, select an image. Again, I'm going to go in free images, select any random image. Let's say I want to select that one. I'm going to click on select. And once I click on that, all I need to do is I'm just going to change all the things I want to do. I'm going to change its alignment from bottom to bottom center. I'm going to click on save. Once I click on save, I'm going to go back to my main store. I'm going to click on view store. Once I click on view store, I'm going to come down to the slideshows and look at that. These are my slideshows that I just edited. Look at that. So this is the slideshow that the user or customer that's going to come to your page is going to get. So yeah. That's basically how easy it is to add a slideshow to your Shopify page. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, please let me know. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. I'm going to see you all next time. Goodbye.